Now, my carrots are still pretty microscopic, so this morning I headed out to the local farm shop and snagged these beautiful heritage carrots. So here's my lovely leg of lamb, and I'm simply going to massage it all over with a spicy harissa paste. Then it gets popped into the oven for 5 hours with medium steam, so you don't need to cover it with foil. It's going to keep all that moisture in, and it's going to really break down those fibres to be soft and tender. So next up, we're going to make the carrot pickled. Grate the carrots, add in the garlic, the red wine vinegar and the olive oil, then add the coriander and mix well. Okay, so the carrot pickle is done. That's now going to go in the fridge. The meat is on, looking and smelling tremendous. So now we're going to make the hummus. Oh, and if you've never made your own hummus before, blitz all the hummus ingredients together in a food processor. It's no good. I can't wait anymore. Take the meat out of the oven and let it rest for about 10 minutes. Then shred together the meat and that hot, spicy, slightly charred crust with 2 forks. Pile up your wraps and spread generously with the hummus, the shredded meat and those beautiful pickled carrots. Roll them up and cut in half. So that's dinner sorted. As always, I hope you've enjoyed this recipe, and I look forward to catching up with you guys next week. See ya.